Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to add credit card on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. So at first, just open your phone. And as you open your phone, open your PlayStation app. And as you open the PlayStation app, you're in this home page. So just stay at the home page and look down at the middle where you can see the option PS Store and just press it to view it. And as you view this page, all you have to do is again look at the right top corner for the 3 bars, and as you see it, just press it. And as you press that, you have 4 options right here, and go in the option Payment Methods. It takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. And as it loads, you can see the option right here Add Payment Method and just select it to open the page. And as you open the page, go in the option Add a credit or the debit card. And as you do that, just fill out the information of your credit card. So guys, that's how you add your credit card on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.